I have been loving Kardashian recipes lately, and I have to say that this avocado pudding is unbelievably creamy and dreamy. Like, this sweet avocado concoction should not taste so good, but it does. This makes an amazing breakfast because it's just filled with yummy, healthy goodness, even as a dessert, and it's great as a pre-workout snack. It gives me so much energy. It's so filling and sweet, jam-packed with nutritious beauty benefits. Manuka honey has antibacterial properties and lots of antioxidants, along with making this pudding perfectly sweet. Avocados contain heart-healthy fatty acids, have tons of fiber, which help you stay regular and have a flat tummy because, poop. The most necessary ingredient to make this so creamy and thick. Coconut milk that is plain and unsweetened. Vanilla is my own added ingredient that Kourtney doesn't include in her recipe, but in my opinion, it gives it that little extra flavor. Vanilla is my favorite thing ever. Add all of the ingredients to the blender. The measurements for the avocado to coconut milk ratio depend on the size of the avocado, and because that can vary, my tip is to carefully spoon out the avocados from the shell and use the avocado shell itself to measure out the coconut milk, a 1-to-1 ratio. If you want it to be sweet, add more honey, or if you just want a taste of sweetness, add less. It's your preference, doll. Blend it up. Blended, pour into your favorite container and get your favorite spoon and enjoy.